In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add visually captivating Lottie animations to your Wix website to bolster the sense of dynamism and interactivity. We will start by adding the Lottie animation element to your website. First, open your Wix editor. Once in the editor, you have to look for the Add Elements option, which is represented by a small plus icon on the left side of your screen. Make sure to click on this icon to open a menu of possible elements to add. Navigate through this menu and find the Media section, within which you should find an option labeled Lottie. Once the Lottie option is located, there are two ways you can add this to your website. You can either click on the Add to Site icon, or you can simply drag the element directly onto your page. Both methods will achieve the same result, so choose whichever one feels more convenient to you. Now that we have added the Lottie element to the web page, we will need to source an animation to populate it with. To do that, you need to visit your Lottie animation source, which could be your personal Lottie Files account, your workspace, or any other source you prefer. Navigating through your repository of animations, look for the specific animation that you want to add to your website. Upon locating the desired animation, you have to copy its JSON URL, which will have a JSON extension at the end. With the animation URL copied, let's make our way back to the Wix editor and begin the process of pasting this URL into the Lottie element that we previously added. Click on that Lottie element to begin working with it. With the Lottie element active, look for the settings icon and give that a click. In the fields that follow, you need to find one that asks, "What's the animation's URL?" This is where you need to paste the copied URL from your animation source. Once the URL is pasted, you just need to press Enter on your keyboard to solidify the input. And there you go. By following this simple step-by-step procedure, you can effectively add unique interactive Lottie animations to any Wix website, adding a whole new level of aesthetic appeal and visitor engagement. So why wait? Start experimenting with adding Lottie animations today and see the difference it can make to your site's look and feel.